Hi friends! Welcome back to Wibby. Today we're going to learn about animals. Can you guess what kind of animals we're going to learn about? That's right! Today we're learning about animals that live in the ocean. Can you think of any animals that live in the ocean? That's right! Sharks, fish, octopus, crabs? I have an idea! Let's go swimming in the ocean together and see what kind of animals we can find. Are you ready? Let's go! But first we have to put on our goggles. Oh, did you put on your goggles? 1, 2, 3. Wow! Friends, we are in the ocean. It's so blue. Let's start swimming. Can you help me swim to find some animal friends? Let's go! Swim! Swim! Wow, you're so good at swimming! Friends, look at that! We found a fish! It's a yellowfish! Hello, yellowfish! It's so round! The yellowfish wants to say hello to you, friends! Look at the bumps! This fish is yellow and bumpy! It's so beautiful! Bye-bye! That was such a cool fish! Let's keep swimming and see what else we can find! Swim! Swim! Look at that! What is this? It's a whale, a blue whale. It's a big blue whale. Look at the whale's tail. Look at the whale's fins. It is such a cool blue whale. I'll say hello to the whale. Hello, whale. I wonder if we say hello one more time, the whale will swim closer. 1, 2, 3. Hello, whale. Oh, it's swimming closer to you, friends. Oh, the whale is swimming away. Bye-bye. What an awesome whale. Ah, what was that? Oh, I think something just pinched me. What pinches that lives in the ocean? Do you guys know? Friends, it's a crab. It's a pinching crab. Ooh, the crab is red. I wonder if we all say up, the crab is going to swim up, up. Oh, it's going up. Woo, it's going so high. Friends, now let's say down, down, and maybe the crab will come down. Down, down. Oh, the crab is coming down. And now the crab is gonna go and find some yummy food. Bye-bye, crab. Friends, come look. It's another fish. This fish is orange. It's an orange fish with stripes. Do you see those? Those are stripes. An orange stripy fish. I wonder if we say fast, the fish will swim fast. Let's try. 1, 2, 3. Fast! Oh, friends, look how fast the fish is swimming. I wonder if we say slow, the fish will swim slow. Let's try. Slow, slow. Oh, friends, now the fish is swimming slow, slow. Bye-bye, orange fish. Look at this octopus. Can you say octopus? Octopus. Good job, friends. Wow, the octopus has 8 arms. That's a lot. Imagine what you could do with 8 arms. You could play with so many toys. You could eat so much ice cream at once. Do you think the octopus wants to do the Wibby wiggle with us? Yeah? Amazing! Let's move our bodies with our silly octopus. Let's go! That was so much fun! Thank you, friends, for doing the Wibby wiggle with me. Thank you, octopus, for doing the Wibby wiggle with me and my friends. Whoa! I just heard a loud splash! I wonder who could that be? That's a shark! Can you say shark? Good job! The shark is gray. It's a gray shark. Look at the shark's fin. Look at the shark's tail. I wonder if we say hello, shark, the shark will swim closer. Hello, shark. Wow, it's swimming closer to say hello. Bye-bye, shark. Wow, friends, that was so much fun. I loved swimming in the ocean with you and meeting sea animals. Let's remember, what sea animals did we meet today? Yellow fish, blue whale, pink octopus, orange fish with stripes, silly crab, red crab, whale, blue whale, shark, gray shark. Thank you so much for coming on this adventure with me. And now it's time to go home. I wonder, where are we going to go next? Maybe to space, or maybe to the jungle. It's going to be a fun surprise. See you next time at Wibby. Bye-bye.